Why does your scanner show the P0078 engine code? What does it mean? P0078 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust valve control solenoid circuit bank 1. This engine code indicates that this malfunction, meaning the engine control module (ECM) or powertrain control module (PCM), detected an issue with the solenoid responsible for controlling the bank 1 exhaust valve. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Failed exhaust valve control solenoid, wiring and connector issues, low or dirty engine oil, faulty ECM, mechanical issues. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially those in manufacture since 1996. It is commonly found in Hyundai, Kia, and Nissan models. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.